Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Walmart registry. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, the account, and the, of course, shopping cart in the top right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a Walmart registry. So it is quite straightforward, and you need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, visit the website, as I already told you, and then navigate to the registry section. So on the website, select registry and list from the top menu. Then when you did that, when you've selected that, so it is here, as you can see, registry. Then you can create the different types of registries, such as baby registry, wedding registry, or any occasion registry. Click on create registry and select the type that suits your needs. Enter the necessary information, such as your name, event data, and shipping address. You can also set the privacy settings for your registry. Add items to your registry. Browse through Walmart's extensive selection of products and the items to your registry. And you can also scan barcodes in store to add items directly to your registry. Share it, and then of course you need just to go to manage it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.